So this here's my pantry I keep out of the cabin. I keep it full of food in case I ever get stranded out here, which actually happened on my last trip. And this was just an old cooler that was getting thrown away because the lid was broken on it. And I keep it underneath my bed. And I unpacked it all because I like to do an inventory every now and then to see what I need. And I thought I'd share with you what I keep in it. It does rotate, like things do expire once in a while. And I'm always bringing out new things. Tomorrow, I'm going to go for a little hunt, try to get a rabbit. See you in a bit. Actually managed to get myself a rabbit this morning. Getting kind of late to cook them up, so I think what I'll do is skin them and freeze them for next time. But I got another rabbit for my next trip. I'm frying up some bacon. And I forgot about this bannock that was in my freezer from last time. This is my pantry. Every time I come out here, I try to add something to it. This is mainly for emergencies in case I get stuck out here. And this is the rabbit I got on my last trip. I'm going to pull this guy out and start defrosting him. I'm almost at that point where I can walk away from the stew and let it simmer. I don't want to burn it. I put way too much effort into it so far. But I also need to go cut up some more firewood. Thick gravy. I like to add some of that too. Welcome back to the cabin. I'll be spending 2 days, 1 night out here, depending on the weather. So even though I didn't bring any food with me today, I'm not too worried. I got this pantry out here full of non-perishable food. This is the third time I've been stuck out at my cabin since I built it. You know, we get these storms that blow in, and there's no point having my wife trying to drive in this kind of weather. It's just easier for me to spend the night. Normally I do have some meat in here, but our weather's been so crazy this winter. A lot of above freezing temperatures, and it probably would have spoiled by now. But normally it's like a deep freeze around here. Yeah, I'm just getting ready. Just trying to wake up here. I'm going to go on a little rabbit hunt. Well, skinning 2 rabbits out in minus 30 wind chill is no fun at all, but there's just not enough room in here to do it. I got 1 rabbit in the pot, 1 in a freezer bag with all the kidneys, heart, and liver. I could either leave that here in my cooler for next time or take it home. I'm not too sure yet. And I got to try out my new homemade skinning knife. It worked really well. I wasn't too sure about it at first, but that's really all that I use is that tip. As long as that's sharp, works good. This is some homemade barbecue sauce, just a combination of different things in the fridge. Maple syrup, mustard, ketchup, barbecue sauce, seasonings. I'll be cooking my rabbit in that later. Brought out some more candles. I think this might be my best meal I ever made out here. Look at that. Oh yeah. Well, that was a mighty fine supper. I got plenty left over for lunch tomorrow. Now to wash it down with some Alberta Premium. This rabbit meat I'm going to keep out here in my cooler. I'm going to put it in there just before I leave. And we're supposed to dip down into the minus 30s and 40s again next week, so I don't have to worry about it thawing anytime soon. Cold one tonight. Got back a little later than I wanted to. Trying to get a rabbit for supper, but no luck. Well, it's still snowing and blowing out there. Not quite as bad as it was last night. My wife's trying to find out how the country roads are to see if she can come pick me up. You know, country roads don't get plowed, and it's more open in the country. And all it takes is getting stuck into one drift, and you're done. It's my wife told me it's minus 31 with the wind chill out there. So I'm just waiting to find out if I will be picked up today or I'll be spending another night. Well, that storm passed, but that doesn't help me get home. Until they plow the roads, I'm pretty much stuck out here. And there's no way to check the back roads online to see if they've been plowed. So I'll have to keep in touch with my wife. Unfortunately, my phone is almost dead. And this little thing I use to charge my phone I got one light on it. I cut my trip short. This is according to the weather, what I've heard on the radio. It's going to be minus 40 tonight, minus 43 tomorrow. And it's going to keep being like that for at least till Monday. So, and it's snowing on top of it. So I don't think it's fair to my wife to have to come pick me up in that weather. So before things get too bad, she's going to come pick me up. So even if I do get stuck out here, it's not a big deal. I have everything I need to survive out here for a long period of time. Well, no luck again. Nothing is moving. Didn't even see any deer tracks or nothing. So I guess I'm going to make some leftovers and see what I can scrounge together for lunch. So the plan for today was to have some rabbit cooked in mushroom soup with a potato and onion, but that didn't happen. So I'll have to make something else. And I also brought up some more items for my pantry. I'm trying to build up a pantry because there are times where I do get stuck out here for multiple days due to the weather. Just in case you're wondering, I do keep the hides. I will make something out of these.